He was a man who worked for Vaughn's. He was a manager at Vaughn's, and a very tough guy. He was a guy who was brought up in a family where his father took him out to the park, and when he had a little argument with one of the kids, he was instructed to beat the snot out of that child. And if he didn't, and that child beat him up, then he was beaten by his father, because he was teaching him how to be a man. He was teaching him how to survive in the culture. And I've had more than one man who told that story. And this guy, it was kind of a perfect story, really, in terms of what happened. He threatened his wife and his daughter and said, if you're here when I come home tonight, I'm going to kill you. So they left and they went to a shelter. And she was helped by For the Child. And Mom was helped by For the Child and Women's Shelter. He was left a note, if you want to see us again, call these people. And that was us, from Alternatives to Violence. And he called us, and he didn't want to come to group. He just wanted to sort of get his wife back, so he was going to come to therapy to sort of work that one out. And he did, and he wound up staying for 5 years. Now, he was a manager who was actually brought into difficult stores, Vaughn's stores, because if somebody shoplifted or did something like that, he would beat them up. He was a tough guy. By the time he got finished in group, he was honored as Manager of the Year and brought in to work to solve conflict and resolve conflict. So yeah, I believe people can change.